This morning here at the Met Office, we've named Storm Kira, arriving at the weekend, a deep area of low pressure, bringing potentially damaging gusts of wind, maybe as high as 80 miles an hour. And we're also concerned about some very large and dangerous waves that could accompany this storm. Now,
right, yeah, unfortunately our workshop was hit really bad by the storms that we've been having all over the Great Britain over the past couple of weeks. Right, where do we start? Well, my dad gave me a call and he said the roof and everything else had come off the workshop during a storm. We got in there and we were it was just literally coming through the second mez floor, like literally like the heavens had broken open, and it was literally, there was so much water we just didn't know what to do with it. So literally we're just getting all of these barrels and containers and literally just getting the stuff and just barreling out the door. It was so windy and so rainy we couldn't even get up on the roof to secure it, so it was, you know, it's like a sinking ship. So literally we were grabbing this and just bailing it back out the door of the workshop. There's poor Curry getting absolutely soaked. I mean, it's soaked absolutely everything in the workshop, the welder, all of our electricals. We don't know what's good, what isn't good. We were filming there the night before, and literally the Saturday night, and then on the Sunday morning my dad gave me a call and this is what we woke up to. So just bear with us at the minute. We're trying our best to try and get through, you know, as much devastation as we got. We need to go through, you know, all of our equipment and find out what's still good and what isn't. Most of it's dried out, but we haven't tested most of it. This was a shot we did later in the day. The rain had eased off by this point, but you can see where all the barrels, and it was literally, we couldn't turn any electrics on because it was coming through the second half of the mez floor, so it's just literally running down walls, but we couldn't get up there to secure it, so we just had to keep bailing it out the door. There'll be a shot of the walking great. There'll be a second shot of the mez floor, and it literally was just collecting like that out from underneath the thing. That was most of the damage to the roof, but the boards had all split and everything else was running through. We did a temporary fix, but it hasn't stopped raining for like 2 weeks in England. We're drying it out now, so things may be a little bit slow, but bear with us. We're doing the best we can. Ciao for now.